Elfi's Big Splash. This story is dedicated to every little heart that finds joy in the smallest splashes of life. Weekend morning. Come on. They all knew this place. Every tree, every leaf, every path. But today, they went a little further. They played strange games, made strange sounds. Plip, plip, plip. Plip, plip, plop, plop. Then it rained. The ground turned soft in no time. Puddles everywhere. Elfi looked around. Splash! Everyone froze. Then, splash, splash, and splash. Elfi! Mama's voice. Uh-oh. Run! Rub, shake, wipe. Rub, shake, wipe. Elfi! Mama's voice again. We are here. Mama looked. Elfi smiled. Come, let's go. They followed quietly. A little giggle. Some secrets are made of rain and laughter. Some days bring rain and some days bring laughter, and sometimes they come together.